Hey guys, hello and welcome to the last part of Vlogmas. It is the final episode, number 10. Here we are, we've made it through the month only with a slight cold creeping in. I've been blowing my nose all day and it's a little bit red. I feel a bit like Rudolph right now. That's kind of appropriate, isn't it? Very festive. So today is a little bit of a last day of Vlogmas Christmas special coming to you from not my house, as you might be able to tell. So tonight we are staying in this gorgeous little hotel room. This is in the Hoxton in Holborn, which I've always wanted to stay in. And I say we because I'm not alone. Hello. Hi, what are you doing in London? This is actually Moon's first time coming to the city and she was such a good girl. She got on the train with me. She was fine. She was so well behaved. And now she gets to stay in a fancy hotel. So the Hoxton here is dog friendly, which is amazing because she can come along with me. She's only ever stayed in a hotel once before when she was little, so this is a little treat for both of us. You're gonna have fun down there, rolling around on the floor. So let me do a quick outfit of the day before I start taking all these layers off, because I'm wearing quite a few of them. So let's go top to bottom. I've got this hat, this nice cozy beanie, which is from Norse Projects. And then my coat is from Topshop. The struggle of trying to show you an all black outfit. I have just a very simple kind of high neck black jumper on, which is from Mango. And then I've got these jeans, these little like cropped jeans from Warehouse. And I'm actually wearing a pair of Docs. I have always wanted a pair of these and I never really found any that were that flattering on me. They always seem to be a bit big and a bit clunky, which I get is the point. But my feet are size 7 anyway, and big boots tend to make them look absolutely huge. But these I think are a new style. They're called the Pascal and they're kind of a really, really soft leather. Hello, do you like my boots too? They don't have that really like structured feel to them. They are quite soft and flexible and they feel so comfortable. This is the first time that I've worn them today and they are like a dream. I feel like I'm walking on a cloud. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. I like them a lot. My travel luggage, I've just got the Away suitcase that I showed you in my last video, and then my Mulberry Bag, which is always good for just chucking a ton of stuff in. So that is what I'm wearing. I'm actually just going to pop outside, take me for a quick little walk around the block, and then I have something really fun to do, which is edit and upload today's vlog. That edit grind is still not over yet, but I will be back to do that in a sec. Just want to show you a quick tour of this room actually, because it is so cute. I love this wallpaper, little illustrated pictures on there, and then this awesome huge mirror. Let's go and have a quick peek at the bathroom. I did look in here quickly and kind of fell in love a little bit with these black tiles. They are awesome. Look at this shower. Note to self, tile bathroom in black tiles. Tonight is definitely a start from scratch makeup night for sure. So I am getting ready now. I don't really know where to look because I've got the camera pointing into the mirror and I'm looking at myself when I'm talking, but I hope the setup is okay. This is where we are. So yeah, I'm getting ready. I've already got my dress on. Just need to put some makeup on this very dry, very tired face. So I've brought a few things, including sparkly, more sparkly. So I'm either going to do something kind of sparkly, smoky, big on the eyes and a nude lip, or I was thinking, do I do a red? Because I haven't done a red yet. I haven't done a red for a long time. It is Christmas after all. I brought 2 red lipsticks with me, so in that case I'd have to go more simple in the eyes. Haven't quite decided yet. Let's just put some base makeup on while we're here. So yeah, my skin is quite dry at the moment. It's quite tired and dull looking. It's had a month's worth of staying up way too late. Not doing anything fun, mind you, just editing videos. So I have a primer. This is from Becca. It's the Backlight priming filter, I think. It's kind of just like a really glowy, intense, hydrating kind of primer. So I don't think this is going to help my makeup stick around too long, but it's definitely going to give my skin a little bit of that glowy boost that I for sure need. What is this called? Backlight priming filter, I was right. I'm not sure what the best way to hold things up to the camera is, but there you go. So I had a little ponder about which foundation to bring with me. In the end, I decided to go for my ride or die, can't leave the house without it, Clarins Skin Illusion. I bought two colours, but I think I'm going to use the slightly darker one tonight, just because it is dark outside and I'm sure we can get away with a multitude of sins. So I just kind of very haphazardly dropped this on the brush. I went to clean this brush yesterday and there was a lot of product stuck in it, so maybe that's not the best decision, but I think this is going to be, yeah, I think this is going to be okay for me now. We're going to go kind of glowy, I think, a little bit fresh but quite bronzed on the skin. I also don't want to use too much powder or powder products just because it is dry around here, especially around my nose. I'm probably going to use a bit more of this than I normally would, just to build up some good flawless coverage. I'm really looking forward to just having a no makeup week, not even a no makeup day, a whole week of it over Christmas. I am not going to pack any makeup with me. I am not going to think about makeup. I'm just going to eat mince pies, drink gin and tonics, and spend time with people makeup free. Okay, so I'm gonna absolutely destroy my face with concealer. Let's get all of this on using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Wand, which I should probably invest in a lighter colour because I feel like I'm not getting the highlighting potential that I could be out of this. I'm gonna really Kim Kardashian up my face with this. Gonna get as much concealer going on as I can manage, and then I'm gonna actually pop this on with a beauty blender just so that it stays. Make sure your beauty blender doesn't have hair on it, and I think I'm just gonna blend what's left on this sponge down my neck. So I have brought with me the Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow, which I'm definitely going to use, but I can't go a day without my Clinique Chubby. Actually, this will be quite good because it'll just give a nice base for the bronzer to go on top of, and I always feel like my skin looks more naturally glowy when I use this. Just going to blend that in like I normally do. I'm basically doing my normal everyday makeup with the same products. I'm going to try and mix up a few of them so you guys don't get too bored, but base products, I think when you find a good little set, you just gotta stick with them. I'm going to do the same thing for blusher. I'm actually just going to pop a little bit of my normal cream blush, the Bobbi brown one, just onto my cheeks. I do always find that blusher sticks around a lot more true to colour when you do layer up a cream blush underneath, so just a little bit of that on. And then I'm going to use some powder, but I'm going to use a slightly different one to my normal. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic powder. I am actually going to put this on with my beauty blender, so I'm going to stick this into here. This is sort of like a half bake, so I'm not going to put enough on that it needs to set underneath, but I am going to kind of really press the powder in, especially underneath my eyes, because I want that to really stay. I'm going to put some setting spray over the top of this later, so it's not going to look cakey at all, which is kind of always what I worry about when I use powder like this, but it really does have everything stay on so much better. I'm going to use a stippling brush with this just because I want quite a light layer. I don't want to go too heavy handed. I'm just going to dust that over the top of where I have the Clinique Chubby Stick Bronzer in all the same places, and I'm not really contouring with this, I'm just using it to make myself look a lot more alive than I currently feel. And then I'm going to dip into the highlight with my new favourite highlight brush. This is from Zoeva and it's called the Luxe Powder Fusion 134, but I find it's the perfect size for just getting that highlight right where you need it. I didn't put any blusher on. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in Pillow Talk. Swirl it around the outside. Just a little bit on here. This blush has a really nice little golden highlight in it, which is really pretty. That's better. I thought something was missing. So my face is quite powdery now because I've used a lot of powdered products. So before I do my eyes, I'm actually going to spray with setting spray. This is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Just a bit. So now is the big decision. What am I going to do? I think I actually really want to put a red lip on. So let's keep the eyes quite simple. Am I going to use these glitters? These are the Lemonhead glitters in the most amazing colours. Look at this one. Could kind of go with this outfit, although it's a bit brown. Or I've just got the very kind of clear rainbow reflective glitter, which is called Adult Film. I also have this Charlotte Tilbury Starlight palette, which I think is her Christmas one. So many beautiful colours in this. This one could be quite nice, this like light kind of champagne beigey colour. And then of course I do also have the Anastasia Sultry palette, which is super, super pretty. I think I'm going to start with this just to lay down a base. Speaking of base, something that I always forget, I have an eyelid primer. This is the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. This is seriously heavy duty stuff. I'm going to start with the colour Twig, which is this really subtle like taupey shade. Just going to kind of blend that into the crease of my eye and also just take it down the lid as well, just to sort of have a base there. It's quite a nice cool tone brown actually, it's really good for this sort of thing. And then I'm also going to use this shade here, which is called Birch, just to do the same kind of thing but kind of concentrate this in the socket. This is a little bit warmer but it's still quite matte and neutral and just a good sort of base shade. I think what I'm going to do is use some of the glitters from this. There's actually one that matches my dress perfectly. I'm going to see how pigmented these are. Ooh. I'm going to start by packing on this lighter shade and sort of concentrate that on the inner part of my eye. Oh, these are so sparkly. And then we're going to use the greeny olivey gold just on the rest of my lid. There's actually surprisingly little fallout with these, considering just how glittery they are. I'm going to go back in with those same two colours from the Anastasia palette and just pop those underneath because I don't think I want to have anything dark under here. I just want to keep it nice and simple. I'm going to curl my lashes and then let's go all out tonight. I'm going to use an actual black mascara. I've been using brown for so long, but I think tonight is the night for black. I'm using the same mascara that I've been using every day, the Monsieur Big from Lancôme. Okay, red lip time. I've got two with me here. I'm not sure which to use. I have the Chanel Rouge Velvet in 57, which is kind of more like a pillar box sort of red. And then I have MAC Ruby Woo, of course, the ultimate red lipstick. I feel like it might be a little bit too dark though, whereas this one's kind of a bit more warm and a bit more fun. I'm just going to go straight in for this. I don't have a lip liner with me. Let's pray this works. And there it is. I just smudged the edges with a little cotton bud. I think that makes it look a little bit more modern and a bit more cool, I guess, without it being too like precise and harsh of a line. So I'm actually quite happy with how this has turned out. My skin definitely doesn't look as dry as it did, so that's good. I think I'm going to put some earrings on. I do have a few little extra hair accessories. I have this clip which I think is so gorgeous and so tacky and amazing. Could just pop that in there. Does that look too much? Is that a bit overkill? I also have this incredible ear cuff, just kind of clips in like that. I actually really like that. I think I might wear this one and then have this side of my hair down. I'm going to put one of these little huggy hoops into my ear just to balance that out, otherwise I feel like it's a bit weird to have an earring on one side and not the other. So I'm finally ready. I really like how my makeup came out. I think this red lip was a good choice for sure. Also really into this ear cuff. Also the other jewelry that I'm wearing is my normal reliquia necklace. This little star necklace is from Masoma. This one is from Another Stories, and this one is from Net-a-Porter, from a brand I can never remember. I will link that and everything else in this video down below just in case I've forgotten to talk about anything. So my dress is from Another Stories and I absolutely love it. It's the perfect festive Christmas party dress. I think it's like a gold foil with almost this like greeny tinge to it. I think that's what makes it go so well with the eyeshadow that I wore. I've got my little mango pearl bag, and then I went for the Stuart Weitzman heels in the end just because I think it's a party dress. May as well wear some party heels. So guys, that is it from me and it from Vlogmas this year. I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you for watching, the comments that I got this month, the tweets, everything. I feel like I make a lot of my videos basically for myself, but it's really great to know you guys are enjoying them too and that you like to watch them. I don't think my Vlogmases are known for being the most festive, but I enjoy making them, so I hope you guys enjoy watching them too. So I hope you all have an amazing Christmas, a really great new year, all that good stuff. I will be taking probably a week off in between Vlogmas and videos coming up in January, but don't worry, I will be back soon with a roundup. I'm probably going to do my traditional yearly roundup of the best in beauty, so keep an eye out for that. And until then, that is it from me. Thank you all so much again for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.